it's summer now, and I really wish I would have got all this stuff done in the winter. So, check it out. It's about 100 degrees in here. That rooftop unit does not work. It blows hot air, so it's not conditioning any air. And went ahead and ended up purchasing a Maxxair fan because it was a lot cheaper than actually buying a new unit, a Coleman or a Dometic, right around $600 to $700. So, got this Maxxair fan for $200. So before it gets any hotter in here, I'm gonna try to pull this air conditioning out and try to get this new Maxxair fan in. I'm hoping it'll do something, because right now working at 100 degrees and it's only about 10 o'clock in the morning, it's gonna be really difficult. So let's go. So I got this box opened up right here. Mind you, I'm not connected to any power whatsoever. My power distribution panel used to be in this area. I have literally no interior functions. This is the main power wire right here for the air conditioning unit that runs up and through the ceiling and over to here. At this very moment, just gonna take apart this connection right here, fish this cable out of the way. Looks like it's held together right here with maybe a 15 millimeter or some kind of standard socket. Alright, got these wires removed right here. Again, not plugged into shore power, so nothing's hot. Got the box disconnected. Also got this harness removed. And it is a 9/16. So let's pop this girl out and see what we can do. Tape installed. We're going to input this stuff all over the screw holes and actually create some kind of dam. So when the water runs off this, extremely liberal with Dicor, always. There's no need not to. Just use the entire tube on it.